Today, I'm going to share with you step by step how to make a Bunjin or Literati bonsai. Before shaping, we must first understand the tree. Notice the trunk line. This is very important because Bunjin depends very much on the trunk line. Bunjin is not about fullness, but elegance and movements. Next, I begin to remove what is not needed, carefully clearing away the excess growth, so the true line and character of the tree can slowly be seen. Here comes one of the most important features of a bunjin, the drifting branch. This branch is not just a branch, it gives directions and movement to the tree. It leads the eye and creates a sense of quiet balance. Now I begin wiring the drifting branch, guiding it gently to create a natural flow and direction. Now watch carefully. In order to bend the drifting branch successfully without hurting the tree, I make a small cut here. Now I begin to shape the drifting branch, adjusting its position to create better balance and movement. Now watch carefully, this is very crucial, not to break the branch. Since the drifting branch is the main focal point of this bunjin tree, so we must pay more attention into how to design, how to make the bends of this drifting branch. Again, in order to bend this branch successfully, so I made a small cut here. Got to be careful not to break it. Now all the branches are already shaped. So now let's reposition it. Next, We prune away the unnecessary foliage and also the small twigs. And here is the final result. A simple, elegant form, guided by movement and balance. This is what defines a Bunjin bonsai. Thanks for watching. If you like my bonsai video, please subscribe to my channel.